As a parent, you want what's best for your child. And in today's world, coding is becoming just as important as reading, writing, and math. Introducing Dash and Dot, smart robots designed to teach coding through play. They are the heart of a learning and storytelling system that grows with your child. Getting started is a snap. Together with our apps, Dash and Dot makes coding easy and fun for kids of all ages. From simple remote control movements to drag and drop programming, kids choose how they want to play. And with fun accessories like the xylophone and building brick connectors, your child will discover a whole new world of creativity while learning to code. Learning to program isn't just to become a computer programmer. We want to help shape future innovators, thinkers, and leaders. And the future is today.